Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rahul. Today we are solving an exciting LeetCode problem that is find the number of distinct colors among the balls. So we will break it down step by step and code the most efficient solution in Java because we will make it efficient by almost the complexity will be of big of n. Okay. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome coding tutorials. So if you are practicing lead code challenges, DSA things, you can go through my channel. Here are so many lead code problems I solved. So let's get into the problem now. Here is our problem. Actually, the problem is simple but little tricky. We have a set of balls number 0 to limit and all of them are uncolored initially. We have a list of queries where each query marks a specific ball with a color. After each query, we need to count the number of distinct colors present among all the balls. If a color is completely removed, we don't count it anymore. Okay. So it might be interesting. Let's go through this example. So after query 0, the ball 1 has color 4. Okay. After query 1, ball 1 has color 4 and ball 2 has color 5. Now query 2, ball 1 has color 3 and 2 has color 5. After query 3, ball 1 has color 3, ball 2 has color 5, 3 has color 4. That's the way we are writing this. So in order to solve this, we need two hash map. One to store which ball has which color and another one to track the frequency of each color. So here we will loop through each query where one is the ball and the next is the new color. So like that we have to do. So let's get into our code now. Here our class with our method query results with two inputs limit and one array. So we have to return one array back. First of all, we have to initialize one hash map in order to track which ball has which color. So I am using hash map integer integer. Then I will name it as node and we have to assign hash map. Now we have to create another one in order to track the frequency of each color. So like the same, we have to write one map integer. So I will name it as color new hash map. Now I need to create one array to store the number of distinct colors after each query. So for this I will create one array of integer type with the name ans new int of. So the size will be queries dot length. Okay. Now I have to iterate through each query. So I will use one for loop int I to 0 less than queries dot length increment I. Now I have to extract ball and color. So I'll use another array, it queries of I. Okay. Now I have to check for some conditions. First of all, I have to check if the ball already has a color. If node dot contains key equal to 0, then again I have to check if same color means if the ball is of same color, then nothing, we have to just continue. If node dot get 0, next one id of 1, then nothing, and of I is color dot size, then continue. Now I need to decrease the count of the old color. If color dot get node get of id of 0, less than equal to 1, oh, sorry. Now we have to remove the node. Color dot remove node dot get id of 0. Okay, so after this we have to check for else condition. We have to put the node get u 0 minus 1. Now we have to come out of this loop and we need to assign new color to the ball. Okay, so now dot put id of 1. After this we need to increase the count for the new color. So let's go color dot put id of 1 dot get dot default id of 1 0 plus 1. Then we have to store the number of distinct colors to our result array. So ans of I is equal to color dot size. At last, nothing. We have to return the answer. Let's run it. What's the issue? Okay, I forgot. Okay, done. Yeah, it's working. So what I done here was, first of all, we created two hash maps, one for ball to color mapping, one for color frequency. Then I created one result array. After that, we process each query originally. Mean first of all, we check if ball already has a color, then adjust color counts accordingly. Later, we assign the new color and update the frequency. At last, we store the number of distinct colors in the result array. So when it comes to complexity, okay, for time complexity, it takes big of n since each operation runs in constant time. For space complexity, same big of n because we store at most limit plus one balls and colors. So that's it. Let's submit it. Hmm, I will try again. Okay, so that's it for today's video. We solved a problem with an optimized hash map approach of big of n complexity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So, see you in next one. Happy coding.